Yes, dear students, next program is about a second program. The second program is write a JavaScript that calculates the square and cube of a number from 0 to 10. They have asked the easiest one, easiest program, and outputs HTML text, and that displays the resulting value in the table format. Only table format you have to keep it. You know how to create a table, so it's easy. As we know that the program will start with the doc type HTML head, and the style again you are giving the style, and it is mandatory. It's not mandatory that whatever the style I have given here, it's not mandatory to give the same thing. You can give table tr and td, as I've already told you that what is tr. Tr is a table, yeah, table row. Table data is nothing but td. So table row and a table data, and a border we have taken it as a solid black, and the width 33%, and the text line it is a center, and you know the syntax how to write the css, right? And the table margin auto you can take, and the border collapse or the border color you can change, and the style you are ending. Once after the style is ending, the script you are taking, what is this document dot write? It is nothing but like it acts as a printer. Whatever you write inside that, it will be printed on that. And inside this document dot write, I have taken it as table tag, which will create a table row with a table heading as a column span with the 3. What is this column span with the 3? You can easily understand that you will get a first row with a name as a heading as a numbers from 0 to 10 with their squares and cubes that you are ending, and then the next line there will be a 3 row columns will be generated as I've given column span 3 here. So what is this column contain is, what is that particular number? You can see here, I can show you here. The heading is the numbers from this 0 to 10 only they have asked. So that numbers, and numbers square, or how many numbers? 0 to 10 is the number. What is the square of 0? 0. And cube. And for 1, what is the square? Yes, you can easily calculate. The same thing is what they have asked here. So once after creating the table and the heading you have created by choosing the column span as a 3, the next step is, yes, the next step is the table row contains the number, square and the cube. That's what I've given here. And once after that, you already know what is the syntax of the for loop. For initialization, condition and increment operation. The same thing, the variable, the number from 0 to, the condition is it should be less than or equal to 10 they have given, and will be incrementing. So from 0 to 10 we going to start. And the document dot write. Again the printf. What should be there in the next row? The next table data should contain n, that is the number, along with that n into n. N into n will give you the square of the number. N into n will give you the cube of the number. That's what it is there. Then print the table. Means again the table has to be closed. So that's what given, because as I have started the printf, that is document dot write, inside the table I have taken, I'm closing again inside document dot write. Once after that, the script I am ending, and I am ending with the head and the HTML. That's the simplest program I can say. Let's end the second program. Thank you.